Hi, my name's Andy Phouli, CEO and co-founder of Rush. As you're all aware by now, we shall be opening our stores on the 4th of July. The last 3 months for us has been such a tough experience. Closing the salons down on the 23rd of March was just heartbreaking for us all, for our teams, for our clients, for all of us. But opening again on the 4th of July brings back the same buzz that we had when we opened our very first store some 26 years ago. The experience we've all been through over the last 3 months has just been absolutely horrendous. As you all know, whether it was a financial hit, mental hit, mind hit, health hit, everything, it's just changed our lives in such a way that's incomprehensible. Saying that, we've got an opportunity to move on. Saying that, we're safe. Saying that, we're healthy still. So we are truly blessed. So on that note, our top priority will be yourselves, our clients, and our teams. Safety will be at the forefront of what we do. We have taken all the PPE measures that are needed and more. Cleaning will be done after every single client. PPE will be worn. We have followed guidelines and some to make sure we have a very safe environment. We've also been building our business to make it future-proof as well. From a new booking platform to a new website to the client app, everything's sort of changing, and we've used this time to evolve the brand and evolve hairdressing, how it will change moving forward. So there will be changes. Work with us to work with the changes. As I said, your safety, our team safety will be our #1 priority. But as a hairdresser, and still being a hairdresser, what we want to do is we want that feeling back, that special feeling we give clients when they leave our stores. You know, when someone comes in and through your hands, you make them feel so special and so happy, and you lift them, it's an amazing experience for hairdressers. And that's what we want to do now. We want to get back in there. Our teams are eager to look after you. We'll be so happy to see you all come back. And we just can't wait to get this going again. So looking forward to seeing you. We're so excited. We can't wait. Stay safe, and we'll see you all on the 4th. God bless. Thank you.